there, and welcome back to our channel. Are you excited for the next step on how to start your own business? Do you know what it is? Yes, you guessed it. It's about money. Starting costs are those boring expenses that come with getting your business off the ground, like paying for a lawyer, buying equipment, getting inventory, renting a space, and marketing your business. Yes. And let's be real, these costs can add up quickly and take a big bite out of your budget. So it's super important to know what you're getting into and have a solid plan to cover these costs. Now, I know what you're thinking.
But wait, I thought starting a business was supposed to make me rich and famous, not leave me broken alone.
Well, trust us, we get it. But the truth is, starting a business can be a bit of a financial roller coaster, especially at the beginning. But don't worry, we've got your back. In this video, we'll be giving you the lowdown on startup costs and funding, how to estimate them, and ways to save money and keep your costs down. By understanding the true costs of starting a business, you'll be better prepared to navigate the challenges that come with entrepreneurship and increase your chances of success. So buckle up, grab some popcorn, and let's get started. What do you need to do before you start calculating your startup costs? Interesting question. You need to do proper research on your target market and product before even thinking of calculating your startup costs. Do not blindly jump into it. If you're tuning in for the first time, make sure you check out our previous video where we have discussed in depth about the importance of doing your research before starting a business. Now, once you've done your research and clearly identified and defined your business, you can start to write a business plan. Not only will it help you secure funding, but it'll also force you to answer important questions about how you will run your business. So, how do you write a great business plan? First, know your audience. Are you presenting to investors or potential customers or your team? Tailor your plan to your audience. Next, have a clear goal in mind. What do you want your business to achieve? Be specific and realistic. Now, within your plan, the financial projections section should estimate your revenue, profit, and expenses for the next 3 to 5 years. We will talk more on how to write a business plan in our mini episode next week. What are common startup expenses to consider for e-commerce businesses? Regardless of what type of business you are looking to do, here are some expenses that you can never run away from, even if your business is fully remote. Number 1, permits and licensing. Depending on the type of business that you are doing, you may require permits and licenses to operate legally. This can include sales tax registration or occupation license, general business license, or weights and measures license. These requirements can vary by state and district, and failure to comply can result in fines or legal issues. 2. Equipment and maintenance. Online businesses require equipment such as laptops, routers, and other tools to function. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need full-scale production equipment. It's important to budget for equipment maintenance and repair costs. 3. Domain hosting and email tools. To get your website online, you will need a hosting service. This type of plan you choose will vary depending on your site's requirement and your plans for growth. While inexpensive plans are suitable for small businesses, higher-end packages can be quite expensive. 4. Software and platforms. If you are unsure how to build an online store out of the box, an e-commerce platform like Shopcada can help. This will help ease the flow and save you loads of time. You should consider other software you need, such as accounting or team communication software as well. For example, if you want to build a website but you have no experience in web development, it would likely take you a significant amount of time to learn the necessary skills and build a functioning website. On the other hand, if you hire a professional web developer, they can build you a website in the fraction of the time it would take you, and the end result would likely be of much higher quality. Additionally, when you hire someone to do a task, you free up your own time to focus on other important aspects of your business, such as marketing, customer acquisition, strategy development, and so on. This allows you to work on what you do best and leave the other tasks to the professionals, leading to greater overall efficiency and productivity. 5. Utilities and excess. You'll need to pay for internet and electricity at a minimum to keep your business running. You will also need a backup plan in case your primary access line goes down. 6. Online payment fees. You may be responsible for a small transactional fee for each online payment, gateway transaction, or credit card payment. These fees can reduce your profit margins a little bit. 7. Insurance. Even if you don't operate in a physical space, you will need various types of insurance, such as general liability, product liability, and business interruption insurance to keep your business protected. 8. Inventory shrinkage. Shrinkage is the loss of product before it's shipped to individual sellers. This can happen due to theft, damage, miscounting, and fraud, and it's something you'll need to account for. 9. Professional fees. You will need to pay for professional fees for services that you can't handle, such as drafting a contract or handling complex tax returns. 10. Employees and freelancers. As your business grows, you may need to rely on a network of full-time employees and freelancers to handle the excess workload. You'll need to plan for more than their salary, such as recruiting costs and their benefits. 11. Fulfillment. To get products to your customers, you'll need to consider the costs of shipping and delivery, which can be high and unpredictable, especially if you're just starting. 12. Marketing and advertising. You will need to invest in marketing and advertising to generate new interest and build your brand. This includes professional branding, which is essential to make your business look legitimate and distinguished. 13. Taxes. As a business owner, you'll need to plan for sales tax, income tax, and property taxes. These costs can be a surprise if you're not prepared. That's all the time we have for today. In our next episode, we will be looking at how much cash you need to actually start your business.